tell the push.
Come on, man. I don't want to piss you guys off. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's good stuff.
Oh, you always got to be the youngster. Youngster's like, come on, dude. We can trust him. He's good. Come on.
What could go wrong?
Come on. You guys are good, man. I given up beef, so you guys are good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Especially when you're the boss of Norco Animal Control. You gotta do whatever you gotta do. Ready this one? Oh yeah, that's good stuff, man. Come on. There's a bunch of it in there. Hold on. Hey, so I'm gonna need one person. Once I kind of get them in there, there's a man door on the other side. Just unlock it, and then whoever gonna have to, it just looped around twice, and then we'll just close it on them. So you gotta close this one because